Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Motorola Moto E6S to an Android device. Begin by opening Play Store on both. Then install free app called Send Anywhere from this developer, and when it's ready, open it. Now, in order to use this app, you need to choose I accept, confirm, continue, and allow. Then do exactly the same on the other device. In this pop-up, you can choose Not Now if you wish to, and then close it by selecting OK. Then choose Receive at the bottom of your Android and Send at the bottom left corner of your Motorola. Finally, click on all of those type of dots from all of those categories and click on Send next to Selected. This way you will choose all of those files and transfer them. It will take a long time though, so I will go with only one file, maybe this photo. Click on Send and tap on Got It. Now pick one of those options. Select Close this window over here, and finally pick one of those connection ways. You can scan this QR code by clicking on this scanning icon, choosing Allow and pointing your camera at the code, but you can also input this key over here instead and tap on Receive. Either way, after a while, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!